is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Let's get into the news. The first story of the day is about the Galaxy Note 9, which I have in my hand right here, and it won something from DxOMark, which was actually very surprising considering its competition. And as you can see right here, Galaxy Note 9's front camera listed on the top position of DxOMark's Selfie scoreboard. Now, the total score was 92. That's a 96 score in photo and 86 in video. And some of the pros for the photos are accurate exposures on faces, pleasant skin tone, well-controlled noise, accurate and repeatable autofocus, good subject isolation in bokeh mode. And then in photo cons, you're getting low contrast and tone compression with HDR, yellow-green color cast outdoors, low levels of detail in low light. As for video pros, you're getting accurate exposure on faces, pleasant skin tone and color rendering, good detail preservation in the foreground, well-controlled noise. And then some of the cons are unnecessary refocusing, residual high-frequency motion in static handheld scenes, exposure instabilities and steps in convergence, and high level of ringing. Now, this is very surprising considering its competition. It beat the Pixel 3, it beat the iPhone, the Huawei phones, basically every other phone on the market. Pretty crazy because I actually don't consider it one of the best selfie cameras. It is a good one, but I think the Pixel is a better one, but with photos anyway, maybe not with video. But regardless, congrats Samsung on the big win. And the last story of the day is awesome. It's an amazing looking device, and it comes from Xiaomi, and it is a video of their president of the company playing with a foldable phone. And here we are. This is Lin Bin, I love the name, playing with their new foldable phone, and it looks exactly like a tablet, slightly curved even when it's straightened out regardless. But anyways, it's the new, again, their new foldable phone. They don't have a name for it. So they are looking for a name, but it looks really, really cool. Even in tablet mode, I'd be interested in playing with it. And then as you can see, he folds it both sides and it turns into a phone. I want this thing definitely. And it just makes me more excited for the Samsung device because it's futuristic. This is something that can fit in your pocket and then you can expand it out and it turns into a tablet. And it just, I want this thing. Do you guys want it or what? Tell me that thing is not badass. That thing looks amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of that Xiaomi phone tablet mixture thing. Let me know. I think it looks so cool, so futuristic. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My phone's bugging off. I have new t-shirts, guys, new hoodies as well. The 2019 editions are out right now on Amazon. They are linked below, so if you want to pick one up, definitely do. And if you do get one, send me a picture of you wearing your new t-shirt or hoodie. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you down the road. Peace!